Welcome to Disney This Day. I'm Egon Bonkers. And on this day in 2000, the live-action sequel, 102 Dalmatians, held its premiere at Radio City Music Hall in New York City. Guests arriving at the premiere party walked down a black spotted white carpet. They got a sneak preview of the Radio City Christmas show with the Rockets and Santa before the movie screening. The after party at the Rockefeller Center Skating Rink included a spotted muffler gift, cookie decorating, photo ops with dress-up, and ice skating. And all of this was 25 years ago. Did you see this movie? Did you like it? I thought it was okay. Anyway, have a magical day.